We're here in the production module of the TriOpt software, and I'm showing you how to import image data from slabs and export them again so that the warehouse is updated with the current information. So we start with importing a slab, so actually making it ready for production. I'm using here again the slab number 3005, which is our demo material, and I'm using a random job here. And while validating that is the data from the job are validated against the slab so that the material is matching, that the thickness is matching, and so on. Importing that creates me the 3005, which is a JPEG file on disk, which I can now use to in my CAD software. It doesn't matter if you're using AutoCAD, CCAD, or StoneCam, and it looks something like this, where you have your slab in the background and draw on it, so you have your exact measurement you can visually draw directly in the office without occupying the machine. So once you've done the editing, the result is that you have the picture itself manipulated, and also some information of the drawing, like a WW6 or yeah, a CAD, a DXF file, or whatever you're using. Then once you're done with all this manipulation, with all the production, and you know what's being returned to the warehouse, you are re-exporting this slab picture. Now we see that it's been modified by the CAM software, and we are changing the size and the L shape. What has been changed, we can even zoom in to make sure that's highly accurate. And once we're satisfied, we make sure that this job is still referenced and the file is included in the export and basically in the backup, because everything is now deleted locally. It's not available anymore on my hard disk, and it's really on the central server where all the backup and things like that is done. Here are a couple of items I'd really like: references to job, production data, and so on. For verification, I'm going in quickly into this warehousing module, zooming down to the demo material, expanding the nodes, what I'm looking for, and I'm finding this 3005 slab, which is now 70% available. Only 70% is available of these slabs, so also 2.35 square meter, which is automatically updated just by this export. We can also visually browse that, and we see that's not a full slab anymore. And if we go to view the history of this slab, we see we have an additional history entry, which is now here to track down all the changes, to track down the remnants. And also when doing a reservation, virtual reservation, which are done automatically out of the job module, we're really matching to the square meter data left in this remnant and not to the full slab how it was originally been taken on stock.